So in this video, I'm gonna teach you quick graphic designing. So the thing is, technology has progressed so much so that you can really create good backgrounds as well as logo as well as posters within the click of a mouse online. And that is possible with a very special tool called as Canva. So what Canva does is it has all the premium templates available, that too mostly for free. You can go there, create an account of your own, and this is the user interface after you have created your account. So what would you like to design? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to create a brilliant logo. Just search logo. It just opens up. So we're gonna design a logo for Healing Buddy. Healingbuddy.online is our free online depression helpline. So art and design logo option is there, sports logo option is there, cafe logo, food drink logo, education logo. So just select it. So this is there, this is there. You can just go through, browse through many multiple logos. So eventually we select this. Just write Healing Buddy, erase this. You can experiment as per you want. So this is, I think so it's pretty cool. It doesn't require even like 30 to 40 seconds. And if you want to experiment more, you can always play with it. So now let us download this PNG file. So file type, you can also choose among the file types also. And if you select transparent background, then it will give you for free. You can download free for the first 30 days, but then you need to pay. So you can download like this also. So let us check Healing Buddy. It's very quick and effective way to create good logos. And now if we want this in a transparent background, we'll deal that in the next video itself. And now say for instance, you want to create a logo in Photoshop. If you know even basics of Photoshop, that also is not required. You just download Photoshop, purchase it from somewhere, or if you're a student, you can get a good student discount too. So just open Photoshop. It's opening up. It's just plain and simple logo for very quick and effective work. So go on file, click new, just select a random size and put the resolution as 300 so that your logo doesn't blurs out or pixelates out rather. Uh, Make sure that you select this transparent option and give it a name or something. Logo Healing Buddy. Click OK. Now just select the text tool, write Healing Buddy. The color is selected as white. Press Ctrl plus A and select this entire thing. Check the color and put some random color. Put it in the center. Again select the text tool. Increase the size. So this is right here. We're gonna play with the color more. And you can always go to font and change the font as per your taste. So healing is something purple or bluish. That signifies healing much better. So I'll select that. Let us darken the color a bit. Let us change the color a bit for this. So I think so this is looking good. Let us export it and just see how it looks. Click save as. In the format, make sure to choose PNG and logo healing buddy. Just click OK and our logo is ready. So this is our logo and this is how it is looking. So this is a very quick and effective way to make good simple logos. And the thing is, even simple textual logos with a good color combination really works well. So you can just do smart work and you can get logo done using these two simple smart methods. I hope you have learned a really interesting and a frugal way to create logos. In the next video, we're going to deal with how to create transparent backgrounds.